Natural resource movement or transportation via slurry lines is a key part of most mining operations. Slurry lines can run long distances, through remote areas, and be both above and below ground. Due to the erosive or corrosive nature of the slurry, internal metal loss over time is the #1 obstacle in extending the life of the pipeline. Testing for erosion with manual ultrasonic or radiographic inspections is time-consuming, expensive, and periodic at best. So many facilities are switching to a new method: installed ultrasonic thickness monitoring. Smart PIMs and MAT PIMs by Sensor Networks are non-intrusive ultrasonic-based corrosion and erosion monitoring systems designed to provide consistent and accurate thickness data without the need for in-person inspection. Once installed, these multi-point and area monitors will take ultrasonic readings at user-defined intervals. The data is then collected for trending and analysis via Web PIMs, our back-end software. These monitors are more cost-effective, providing higher quality and quantity data, and significantly lower the frequency of conducting manual inspections and expensive digs. Understand the health of your slurry pipelines in real time, and better predict the pipe's useful life with installed ultrasonic sensors for corrosion erosion monitoring.